fixed a bunch of things. I'm realizing I have limits to my capability. We quit. This garage emptied. Feels like moving day, even though it's not. It's warehouse day. All this stuff is going to storage. Excited about going, Grant?
Yeah.
Where's the first place you want to go?
I'm gonna go to Yellowstone again. Get some boysenberry pie.
Yeah.
They had boysenberry everything.
Everything near Yellowstone is boysenberry. Boysenberry syrup, boysenberry barbecue sauce.
Boysenberry sandwiches.
It's everything boysenberry. Really good though.
There was boysenberry gum.
There was. All right, we're on step one of unloading all our stuff, putting in storage. Trying to just keep the family heirlooms and camping stuff, and we got a telescope. Other than that, we get rid of pretty much everything, unless it's coming to the RV. I have no idea where the office is. I'm here. I don't know where to go. Where is your office? I'm in the parking lot next to the tattoo place. Yeah, parked in the little.
I really need a phone. Sitting here waiting for Dad. So boring.
Well, I didn't get storage, but I got a tattoo. Just kidding. I got storage. So first thing I'm gonna do is get everything out. What I didn't do last time we went on a full-time trip is I didn't plan how I was gonna load this thing in here, and I wasted so much space that I probably paid double the space that I needed because I just kind of threw everything in there. This time, I'm gonna spend a little extra time and get everything.
This is how much we've moved, like a lot of boxes, and this is how much it's full.
I credit that with my packing skills.
Yeah.
It's nothing to do. Last time, this many boxes filled the 10 by 10.
Yeah.
For sure. I mean, that's totally true. Sarcasm. I might have got too big of a thing. I don't know. We actually have like a lot more stuff to go, so this will be good. We're gonna go RVing, and I'm gonna put a bed right there for you, and you can just live out of here, and I'll get some MREs, meals ready to eat, and you can just eat them for like a year, and then you'll come out, and then
I'll
pick you up.
I'll be like, you'll be able to see my ribs through my shirt.
Yeah. I don't think you go to jail for that as a parent. I don't think. Change of plan. It says right here that no one can live inside the storage unit, so you're gonna have to come with us on this RV trip.
Really?
Yep, sorry. Hi. My wife does, yes.
All right, you pull up to that second booth. You're gonna check in at that white tent over there with people who have the best like.
All right, perfect. 15 minutes.
15 minutes until I get the vaccine.
You seem a little nervous. Why?
I am a little nervous. I don't know why. I'm excited, but a little nervous too.
No.
It's right here! I got it!
Yay! How'd it feel?
So it felt like nothing.
It was easy.
It was really crazy.
And you were expecting this thing is so cold that you were gonna feel it go in. Did you feel anything?
No, I didn't even know she had given me the shot. I mean, the entire experience was a little surreal. In this big auditorium, there was a line weaving through, everybody spaced out. I don't think I've been anywhere with that many people in an enclosed space for a while. It got me kind of emotional thinking about what life might go back to being like after everything is done. I'm really thrilled. I'm really happy about how easy it was.
Well organized, well run, efficient.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah. I mean, first vaccine down, great experience.
30 days to go, and then number 2.
Yep. I'm excited to get back to a more normal life.
We are getting the RV ready to take it in to get repaired. I have put up the white flag. I've done all that I can do, what I know what to do. Now I'm gonna take it to some professionals up in Georgetown. It's about an hour away. So we're just prepping it. My son Grant and I are just prepping it right now. And hopefully we get it done in the next hour or so. And we'll have you come along for the journey. This thing's so light. Pick it up with one hand.
We got it in. We're off the ground. Beautiful. Oh, good. Finally. It's been a while.